Hello everyone, I want to welcome you all to this training. My name is Edigayi Tangod, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a whiteboard animation / explainer videos. Alright, so before we get into the training, if you are seeing my video for the first time, do make sure that you subscribe to this channel so that anytime I drop videos like this, you'll be the first person to get the notification. Alright, so let's dive into the training now. So open your Google Chrome, or you can open any browser. So once you open your Google Chrome, the first thing you need to do is just type render forest. So type renderforest.net, then open it. So once you open it, will bring you to this interface. So you are going to click the first one, which is a render forest. So once you click it, then it will bring you to the next interface. Will bring you to this interface. So the first thing you need to do is for you to create an account with the render forest website. So I already have an account, so if you already have an account, just log into your account. Alright, so once you have logged into your account, next thing you need to do is just click on start now. So click on start now. Once you click on start now, it will take you to this interface. So there are different things I can do with render forest, but we are going to concentrate on how you can create whiteboard animation. So click on videos. Once you click on the video, it will take you to this next interface. So just scroll down. So we are looking for whiteboard animation, so just scroll down till you see whiteboard animation. Alright, so once this is the whiteboard animation, so click on it. Alright, so once you click on the whiteboard animation, it will take you to this interface. Then you click on create now. So once you click on create now, it will bring you to this interface. So there are three ways you can create your whiteboard animation. So you can either create it from scratch, which means you can select all the things you want to use, all the different avatar you want to use, or you can type your scripts and the platform will automatically select all these things for you. Or the last one is you can select different templates. So there are some templates that are already in the platform that you can select to create your animation. So but in this video we are going to make use of the script. So we are going to type our script to create our animation in this video. So once you click on it, will bring you to this interface. So what you need to do is just input the your script that you want to create, the video script that you want to create on it. So once you input all the video script on it, then click on create. So click on generate your videos. Alright, so once you click on generate your video, it will bring the different, it will automatically select different scenes for you. Then you can click on generate. Then it will bring you to this interface. So it has generated all the different scenes for you, so you can see edit them, or you can just click to continue. So to continue, just click on this on this icon that look like music on top of the page. So just click on it to take you to the next interface. So it will bring you to this interface. So here you can click on skip to move to the next stage. So just skip. Alright, so once you click on skip, it will bring you to this interface. So the next thing you will do, you click on fast preview, because we have the paid version, but we are making use of the free version. So click on preview, then you hold down for it to preview, then it will bring into this interface. So just hold on for the video to export. So once the video has finally load, it will bring you to this interface. So the next thing for you to do is for you to download the video to your phone. So to do that, just click on the video down, then it will bring you to download. Then you click on download to download the video to your gallery. So once you click on download, it will bring you to this other interface. Then click on download again. So the videos has downloaded to your gallery. So this is the video that we just create now. So the next thing is for you to edit the video, to remove the watermark that is showing, because it's not good for watermark to show on your picture or on your video. So we are going to make use of the InShot app. So launch the InShot app on your phone. Once you launch the InShot app on your phone, then you go and select the video that you want to edit. So just select the video that you want to edit. So once you select the video that you just edit, so we want to remove the watermark, the InShot the forest render forest watermark that is showing there. So that is what we want to remove. So to do that, we have different ways that you can do that. You can either type, or you can either use so you can either use text, or you can use an emoji to cover it. So we are going to use an emoji to cover it. So you just click on the emoji, then it will bring you to this interface. So you can select different ones that you can use to cover it. So let's use this subscribe button to cover the watermark that is showing. So once you select the one that you want to use, so you arrange it, and then once you are done with the arranging it, so make sure that you screw it to the end of the video, so that it will not it will cover the watermark to the end of the video. Alright, so once you are done with all of your design, click on mark good. Then the next thing you can do, you can either add music to it, or you can export your video like that. So if you want to add music to it, click on the music icon. Once you click on the music icon, it will take you to bring you to this interface. So click on music. So you can either use there are different music that is in the platform, or you can select your own personal music from your gallery. So once you have added your music, then it will bring you to this interface. Then the next thing is for you to save your video. So this is how to create your whiteboard animation. So I hope you got value for this video. Right, so I will see you in my other video. Thank you.